Hello and welcome back. Long day, so I thought I'd reach in the bucket of locks and pull out a padlock. I got this one from Bill Bacardi. This is a beautiful 50mm WB padlock. Awesome looking lock. Looks dang near brand new. Has a WB key and an Ilco key, so but this is the original WB key. Pretty cool. Says the Wilson Bohan Company, which is awesome. There's the bitting on the key. I've picked Wilson Bohannons on this channel before. The cool thing about the older ones are, this has to be like new old stock, is that you can pick them in both directions. They will open counterclockwise, which is really awesome for a padlock for me. I don't know, I just think they're cool. But at any rate, I thought I'd put this in the vise and pick it open for you guys tonight. Just a quick video. So padlocks, you know, they don't hold a whole lot of mystery, any of the sealed ones, but at any rate, especially WBs, I've picked them before, but like I always say, if you send it, I'll do my best to pick it. So I use my 50 thousandths, which is usually perfect for those. Yeah, okay. And I grab my gem, because, well, that's what I use. Yeah, that'll work just fine. I think I'm going to start, let's just go counterclockwise on this one. Heavy tension, pull forward, search for a binder. That was 2. Okay. Maybe this one's going to be a little cantankerous. No. I got to click out of all the pins, but it did not open. So either I'm oversetting or I'm undersetting. There was one. There it goes. Sometimes you just got to walk them up. You know what? That was counterclockwise. As you can see, it is unlocked. You know, I guess I'll go ahead and pick it the other direction too, since I can. And that one put up a pretty good fight going counter. So let's see what it does going clockwise. Just walking them up. Well, I thought I was. There we go. Yeah, like I said, a lot of times with these WBs, you do not get a sharp click out of them. You just kind of get a mushy till it stops. And then they pop open. But at any rate, that was this beautiful 50mm WB padlock that I got from Bill Bacardi. Thank you again for all the locks, man. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for your time, and well, don't break the law.